Winter is not a season, but a celebration. Good evening to the respected sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Suhan, from Junior KG Lily. Welcome to the Virtual U Assembly. Let's start our day with blessing of God. With prayer, classmate Nerul.
Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Prayer gives us sound and healthy mind. Let's call the Divinity and for the prayer song.
God's love, it's your wonderful. God's love, it's your wonderful. God's love, it's your wonderful. Oh, wonderful love, it's so high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love, God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Thank you.
We must respect our country and call Ida for a pledge.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect. Treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Good thoughts inspire us. Let's call Nara for the thought of the day.
Thought for the day is there where is a will, there is a way.
As the winter is here, we use cool night and hot food. Let's call our friend to know more about winter.
Winter season is called as season. It starts from December till February. We wear coats, jackets, gloves and cap to stay warm. We drink soup and hot chocolate. We eat vegetables like carrot and white radish. Dry fruits like papaya and pineapple. Thank you. We celebrate Christmas and Sankranti festival in winter season. Kids love to play snow and make snowmen. We get gifts from Santa. We fly kite in Sankranti festival. In winter weather is so cold. We wear woolen clothes such as jacket and muffler. They protect us from falling.
Thank you each and everyone for conducting thoughtful assembly. I would like to call Alabama Tanuja teacher for the valuable thoughts.
No winter lasts forever, no spring skips its turn, as the color of winter is in our imagination. There is no winter without snow, no spring without sunshine, and no happiness without companion. Winter is the coldest season of the year. Around this time, the days are short and the nights are longer. Winter is also a time of special fruits and vegetables, which we get only in winter. Even plants, birds, animals get adapted to this season. This season has a week full of festivals and we get vacations during this time. It starts from December and lasts till March. So enjoy this essence of winter season by playing various games, winter sports, and protect yourself with warm woolen clothes and consuming warm and healthy food. Happy chilling winter. Happy Christmas. Thank you.